Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to duplicate a post or page on WordPress. So first you have to install a plugin. Go to the plugin section and then select Add New Plugin. And then here write just duplicate. There are many plugins, but I find this one to be useful. So I'm just going to install this. You'll have to do the same on your WordPress website. After it is installed, you have to activate it. Okay. Now let's go to the post section. Let's say we want to duplicate one of the published posts. Okay, so this page, we'll just select clone. You will see that it's been created on the draft section. You can preview it. So this is a clone of the original post. You can do the same on the pages section. The pages, they can be cloned too. Ignore the second one. Just click on the clone. See, this is the draft version, so which is the clone version of this one. So this is how you duplicate a page and post on WordPress websites. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.